By the end of 2026, educational content on YouTube will look dramatically different. Traditional black and white slides, plain PDF notes are quickly being replaced by visually engaging infographic-style presentations. AI-generated handwritten notes, smart diagrams, and professionally designed learning materials are becoming the new standard. These tools are revolutionizing how we create content. Many creators already share prompts that can generate attractive educational content. Choosing the right questions and learning objectives, editing AI-generated PDFs effectively, fixing repeated content, and formatting mistakes. Without these fundamentals, even the most beautiful slides can appear unprofessional. In today's guide, we'll explore an underrated yet powerful AI tool from Google called NotebookLM. You may have used NotebookLM before. Professionally, this workflow is completely different from the typical use cases most people know. I'll show you how to create complete teaching presentations. Using a single master prompt streamlines content creation from generation to final editing. This approach is ideal for creating educational content online. It ensures consistency and saves time. Try it for your next project. The quality of your output depends heavily on the quality of your sources. Think of sources as the foundation of a building. If the foundation is weak, the final presentation will also be weak. For example, imagine you need a high-quality PowerPoint presentation for a grade 9 biology chapter about cells. Inside NotebookLM, click Add Source, then paste a structured search prompt. Class grade 9, subject biology, chapter cells. Let's run the search. NotebookLM will automatically gather relevant information from educational websites, videos, and other trusted sources. NotebookLM will automatically gather relevant information from educational websites, videos, and other trusted sources. Import the best sources available. Remember, better sources equal better AI-generated content. Step 2. Generate slide content automatically. Once your sources are imported, simply ask, generate teaching content for my PowerPoint slides. NotebookLM will create content slide by slide, organizing the chapter into logical sections and teaching points. This streamlines the creation of educational materials. NotebookLM will create content slide by slide, organizing the chapter into logical sections and teaching points. This allows for a structured and efficient learning experience. Within minutes, you'll have a complete draft presentation covering the entire lesson. Step 3. Convert content into professional infographics. Raw content is useful, but visual presentation matters. To transform ordinary slides into engaging educational visuals, open the slide deck feature. Choose Presenter Slides. Paste a carefully designed master prompt. Generate the presentation. NotebookLM will reorganize the information into visually appealing layouts that include educational diagrams, infographic-style elements, and better visual hierarchy. Improved readability. More engaging learning experiences. The result looks significantly more professional than standard text-heavy slides. A common beginner mistake. Many users stop after generating the presentation. However, AI-generated PDFs often contain unnecessary words, formatting issues, repetitive content, and branding elements that need adjustment. To polish the final presentation, PDF editing becomes essential. Step 4. Edit and improve the PDF. A dedicated PDF editor allows you to refine the generated material. Typical editing tasks include removing unwanted text. Professionally correcting mistakes is key. Changing headings for better structure. Adding missing information for completeness. Improving formatting for readability. Converting PDFs into other formats. First, dark mode reading reduces eye strain. Next, document enhancement improves clarity. We also have PDF to Word conversion and PDF to Excel for data. For example, after opening your NotebookLM generated PDF, you can run OCR to make every element editable. Once processed, you can modify titles, rewrite sections. With the right workflow, a single well-designed prompt can help you create complete educational presentations without spending money on expensive design software. The real advantage isn't simply generating slides. It's learning how to collect high-quality sources, structure educational content correctly, transform information into engaging visuals, edit and refine AI-generated materials professionally. Master these skills, and you'll be able to produce teaching resources that stand out in the rapidly evolving world of online education. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.